How you doing, everybody? So today I'm in Blackpool, and behind me here is the Boulevard Hotel. It's a luxury 4-star hotel. We have an executive room booked with a sea view. So we'll check in, and then we'll see what the hotel has to offer. Okay guys, so the room, fantastic. I'll spin these around, give you a look. Okay, so when you come in the room, obviously we have the bathroom's on the right. I'll show you that in a minute. You have these kind of nice little coat hooks here, hang your coat. Little rack for my bag. Then in here you have kind of a little area here. Usual tea, coffee, nice little kettle, and yeah, even the mugs are branded. Wow, really nice. We have, I think this is a fridge, minibar. Does it say minibar? Yeah, it doesn't seem to open, so I don't know what's going on there, guys. Yeah, okay. Couple of little shelves there, nothing in them. We even have, oh look, we even have branded slippers. Okay, very good. We've ironing board. It's Christine's jacket, my jacket. We even have branded bathrobes. Really nice. Good attention to detail. And then that's just my bag there. In here we have the safe. Yeah. And then again, we have the hair dryer. Yeah, the old hair dryer. And then again, more space for clothes, shoes, etc. Mirror to look at yourself when you're getting dressed. Again, another mirror. So the room, I want you to see the bed, guys. How amazing is that? A beautiful lime green. It's actually wooden there, but that nice green surround. The pillows, probably about medium, which is good. Okay guys, and then on each side of the bed you have these kind of power outlets. They have I think it's they're USB as well, and they have these really nice little reading lights, and those lamps. There's quite nice lamps there as well. They're like gold on the inside, and it's the same, exact same. Then you have your controls for the lights, and then the same thing as on the other side. And then we have a huge TV here on the wall, and then we have a small area just here for if you want to sit and write letters. Nice branded phone, branded writing paper. Really nice lamp there. And then we have right into these drawers. Okay, yeah, it's just an information pack. Let me take a quick look. Yeah, these, I don't know what they are. Be glamorous, as always. Yeah, just various bits and pieces. There's a laundry bag there as well if you want to get your laundry done, etc. Okay, that's that. Nice, again, really nice upholstered lime green chair. We have another drawer. Nothing in the drawer. We have a really nice kind of almost sea weathered effect on the table. Box of tissues, plastic box, and then this really nice couch. So you can sit, you know, chill out, watch the TV, should you wish. And then I'll show you the view, guys. This is a really nice couch, really comfortable, very clean. And then we have the view. So that's more or less, that's all South Beach. And then we have a SpongeBob SquarePants right outside the window there. So, because the Blackpool Pleasure Beach is actually right behind us. And as we come in to the hotel, the big one, which is the big roller coaster here, goes right over the entrance of the hotel. I'll show you that later on. So yeah, nice view to see. A little bit big waves today, but. And then down below there's just the tram tracks. There is a tram station just a few hundred yards from here. So yeah, okay. So we'll go take a look at the bathroom. Okay, guys. So the bathroom is here on the left. Okay, and then down here we have it's the fridge. Okay, there we go. So we have a the milk, the UHT milk, and then we have posh water. We have Voss water in these nice glass bottles. So yeah, so that's all this is in the fridge. Okay. Yeah, wow. Really nice. So you've a double sink, double wash hand basin. You have a vanity mirror there with a light on it. Really nice. Balmain Paris. Oh, look at these glasses. These are really nice. Wow. Very retro kind of 70s kind of glasses. Again, attention to detail. Boulevard Hotel. We have it's a heated towel rail, but it's not on. Nice kind of modern toilet. And then you have all the usual shampoo, conditioner, body wash, shower cap, not that I need it. And then we have this it's a shower bath, you know. Nice big mirror. Not the biggest shower head in the world. I kind of think a rainfall shower would be better, but you know, it does look nice. No hairs in the bath, no peeling enamel off the bath, which is good. And then we have a space under here for other towels, bath mat, extra toilet roll should you need it. Yeah, so yeah, really nice bathroom. Okay, we'll go back inside. Okay guys, so the old the bed test. Yeah, plenty of covers, yeah. And there's actually there's a mattress encasement on the bed, which is good to see. So you know, there's a hair there, but you know, that's good to see. Okay, now we see how hard the bed is, or how soft the bed is. Yeah, I fix that. Okay. It's about medium. Yeah, a bit medium. We'll see how we sleep tonight and how we are tomorrow, but definitely good. Okay guys, so Christine has joined me, and so that's the room tour. It's a beautiful room, really nice. Yeah, so we are going to eat in the restaurant tonight, and as always, you know, if I can film in the restaurant for you, I will. So I'll catch up with you guys later. We'll explore the rest of the hotel, and we'll take a quick look at the Pleasure Beach out the back. So we'll see you all in a bit. Right, so guys, that's the Pleasure Beach right next to the hotel. You can hear the screams from here. Now folks, here's one of the old trams that goes up and down the Pleasure Beach. There you go. There you go. There you go, folks. Only in Blackpool would you have a giant disco ball on the seafront. Maybe we'll come back later on when it's all lit up and see how it looks. But you can still see the kind of sparkling on the ground there in the sunlight. Very random. Okay, so we made our way down for dinner, guys. So it was fairly quiet when we first came in to the restaurant here. Okay, guys. So I had souffle, and Christine's had it's beetroot cured salmon. Now, yeah, souffle is okay. So main course is going to come back to this. Okay, guys, so we're just back from dinner. So I had steak for dinner. I had souffle as a starter, which was okay, but the steak was absolutely fantastic. Christine had it was a salmon start, and then she had a chicken Caesar salad. Again, she was saying like the food is really, really good. It's a beautiful restaurant that very good service, and again, like really, really good food. So we're going to have an early night. We'll have an early start tomorrow. So what we'll do is we're going to head into the Pleasure Beach tomorrow, which is as I'm saying, is literally you walk out the door, you're facing the Pleasure Beach. It's right beside the hotel. So we're going to head in. We'll show you some bits and pieces of the Pleasure Beach, and oh yeah, we're having breakfast here in the morning. So we'll show you breakfast as well. So I'll chat to you all in the morning. Take care. Morning, folks. So we had a good sleep last night. Nice comfortable bed, nice and quiet up here, no noise whatsoever. Absolutely fantastic. So we're just going to go down and have breakfast. So if you can show you the breakfast, we will. So I'll see you all in a bit. Okay, so breakfast is just the usual buffet style stuff. You can't take the food yourself. You have to ask one of the staff and they give you what you ask for. And then there are things you can order from the menu. Okay, guys, so we're just getting ready to check out of the Boulevard Hotel here. So we thought really, really nice hotel, spotlessly clean. Very friendly, professional staff, and then it's in a great location here up on the seafront. So what did we pay? We paid £127 for the night. So that's an exact kind of like a deluxe room with a sea view, and yeah, definitely worth the money. And if you're in this part, if you're in Blackpool, you're looking for a good or a nice hotel to stay, I would highly recommend this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our previous video, which was the Norbreck Castle, which is the worst rated hotel in Blackpool. Please check that out, and then don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.